What's up, everybody? This is Melissa with Oxmoor Auto Group, and today I'm out here at Oxmoor Chrysler with Ben, who's going to be showing us some features on this 2021 Ram 1500 Bighorn. So what do you have for us?
Yeah, absolutely. So yeah, this is the 2021 Ram 1500 Bighorn. This color here definitely stands out. It's called the Hydro Blue. Now, because this is a Bighorn, it's kind of our big volume seller. This one is equipped with the 5.7 Hemi. On the interior here, it is equipped with the Bighorn Level 2 group. So what that gives you are the heated seats, heated steering wheel. You've got a full 8.4 Uconnect display in the center. It does have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay so that your phone can mirror onto the screen there. It does have universal garage door openers, a power sliding rear window. This is a crew cab, so in the back here you'll notice we do have plenty of storage space here. You have a 115 volt outlet in the back with USB and USB-C inputs as well. The seats themselves fold up, so if you need additional cargo space back here, you can flip these up, have all that floor space. As with all of our crew cabs, you also have your in-floor storage bins down here as well. What's nice is there's a removable bin here, so if you wanted to put ice if you're tailgating or going fishing, you can put your drinks in there and then easily empty it out as well. So just a really well-equipped truck. Like I said, this is our volume seller. And of course, with inventories being low so much around the country here, it's nice having a pretty good selection of trucks still.
Yeah, I was going to say, it's nice to have at least a couple on hand.
Exactly.
All right, guys, if you have any questions on this vehicle or any others, you can find us online or give us a call. All of that contact information will be right up here on the page. Ben, you left me hanging
I know,
this
I
week.
did it on purpose.